Hello everyone. Let's provide a solution to this problem. X to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals 12. Now, how do I want to deal with this? I want to write the one with the highest power first. So this will be negative x to the power of 3 then plus x squared. This becomes minus 12 and everything is equal to 0. Now, what will I do? I can multiply all through by negative 1 to ensure that the first term here does not have a negative coefficient. So if I multiply this by negative 1, we have x to the power of 3, then this becomes negative x to the power of 2, then this becomes plus 12, and everything is equal to 0. Remember that we cannot have negative 0. Now, what do we do from here? From here, we are going to break this in this form. So we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared, then plus 8 plus 4. Because we can write 8 in this form and we can write 4 in this form. So everything is equal to 0. From here, we can regroup. So we have x to the power of 3 plus 8, then minus x to the power of 2 plus 4. Everything is equal to 0. From here, we have x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3. So I'm going to deal with this separately. Then minus, from here we have x squared plus 2 squared. Okay, so this is what we have. But then, since this one is in brackets, we can work on this and put bracket. So we have x to the power of 3 plus x to the power, plus 2 to the power of 3 minus, open bracket, we have x squared minus 2 to the power of 2 equals 0. If we open this bracket, we're going to have this back. So we have not changed anything. Now, from here, a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. Can you recall that this is the same thing as a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared? This and this are the same thing, right? So I'm going to express this in this form. A plus b becomes x plus 2. Then a squared is still x squared minus ab, that will be x times 2 and it's 2x. Then plus b squared, that will be 2 squared, and that is 4. Close this. Then I go over to that. Minus, this is difference of 2 squared, so I write x minus 2 into x plus 2. And then everything is equal to 0. If you look at this 2, look at this and this. X plus 2 is common, so x plus 2 is out as a common factor. Then here I have x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then I have, there's negative here, right? Negative x minus 2. This is already out, so we equate this to 0. Now, x plus 2 is still a common factor. Then from here, we have x squared minus 2x plus 4. This negative will open the bracket, so we have negative x and plus 2. So we equate to 0. X plus 2 is still a common factor. Then from here we have x squared minus 2x minus x is minus 3x. Then 4 plus 2, that will give us plus 6. So we equate this to 0. Now we have x plus 2 as a factor. We equate it to 0, or this, which is x squared minus 3x plus 6 equals 0. Now from here, x is equal to 2. Actually negative 2, because we have 0 minus 2. So from here we have one of the solutions to the problem. Now from here we are going to get an additional solutions, or we'll even get two solutions because this is quadratic. And I am going to use the formula method. Do you have the formula in your head as you're listening? We call it the quadratic general formula. The formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. Right? So from here now, what do? We substitute into the formula. So x will be equal to, in place of minus b, I'm going to write 3, because we have negative negative, it gives positive, plus or minus, we have b squared, that will be minus 3 squared, then minus 4 times a times c is 6. So whatever that we have there, we divide by 2 times a, and a is still 1. Now from here we have x to be equal to 3 plus or minus 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 6 is 24. So write 24 and then divide this by 2 times 1, which is 2. So our x is now 3 plus or minus square root of negative 15, and that is over 2. So that x is equal to 3 plus or minus, we have I square root of 15. The negative here will produce the I, and then we have everything over 2. So this is a 2-in-1 solution, and we are going to say that x is equal to 3 plus I root 15 over 2, or we have 3 minus I root 15, then we have everything over 2. So from here we have two additional solutions, 1 and 2. But remember, before that we had x to be equal to negative 2. So these are the three solutions to the equation. Thank you for watching.